The industry can be overwhelming, especially for personal trainers aiming to transition from the 9-to-5 grind to a thriving online fitness business. You've probably seen countless coaches making similar claims, running the same ads, and using identical funnels. It's a sea of sameness, and your prospects are drowning in options and information. I've been fortunate enough to guide over 600 personal trainers through this journey, and I can tell you firsthand, the competition in our niche has never been more fierce. Just like any other industry, claiming to be the best or showcasing testimonials isn't enough to stand out anymore. But I've discovered a solution, a game changer that goes beyond the usual tactics seen on Instagram feeds. It's what I call the unique mechanism. Now, you might think you've heard of it before, but let me clarify. A true unique mechanism has to be genuinely unique. It's not just a slight tweak to what others in your market are saying. It needs to be perceived as radically different, something your prospects have never encountered before. Think about it logically. You can't just make bigger, bolder claims than your competitors. It has to make sense and resonate with your audience on a profound level. Now that we understand the importance of a unique mechanism, let's break down the 3 essential elements to create one for your online fitness coaching business. Number 1, deep understanding of your audience. To stand out, you must intimately know your target audience, their struggles, their aspirations, their pain points, their desires as people who are looking to lose weight, build muscle, or whatever your niche is. What you need to do is conduct thorough market research, engage with your community, and listen actively to their pain points. Your unique mechanism should directly address those specific challenges, making your solution not just a service, but a tailored, transformative experience. An example is, let's just say that your clients struggle to stay consistent. Your unique mechanism could be a proprietary engagement system that keeps clients motivated and committed, setting you apart from others. Number 2 is innovate, don't imitate. Avoid the temptation to replicate what's already out there. Instead, innovate by innovating gaps in the market and creating a solution that no one else has thought of. It's definitely going to require more effort, but the results will be worth it. Think about what tools, techniques, or approaches can revolutionize the online fitness coaching experience. Your unique mechanism should be groundbreaking, making competitors seem outdated. An example is, instead of offering generic workout plans, you could develop an AI-powered personalized training algorithm that adapts in real time based on your client's progress and preferences. Number 3, deliver tangible value. Your unique mechanism should not be a gimmick. It must provide tangible, measurable value to your clients. Demonstrating the effectiveness of your approach builds trust and credibility, whether it's achieving faster results, ensuring client compliance, or creating a more enjoyable fitness journey. Your unique mechanism should showcase real, quantifiable benefits that set you apart in a crowded online fitness coaching landscape. An example of this is, if your unique mechanism focuses on nutritional guidance, track and highlight the percentage of clients who achieve their weight loss goals with a specified time frame. Now, by combining a deep understanding of your clients, your audience, innovative thinking, and delivering tangible value, you'll create a unique mechanism that not only sets you apart in the online fitness coaching realm, but also becomes a powerful tool for attracting and retaining clients. Think about it logically. You can't make a bigger claim than your competitors. It has to make sense and resonate with your audience on a profound level. Remember the first law from the 22 immutable laws of marketing. It's better to be first than it is to be better. Just like Russell Brunson did with sales funnels, ClickFunnels. Now, I want to share a couple examples of my journey in my previous venture as an online fitness coach. We added a done-for-you grocery shopping list that was sent to their local grocery store And we had a scheduled daily to-do task list that was automated in to remind them of their daily routines. We had annoying reminders to remind them to work out. And this was all scheduled in their calendar to hold them accountable. In addition to that, if they didn't mark their task as done, myself or someone on the team would physically call them, text them, and hold them accountable to their actions. And when I launched my current company, PT Legends, we were the first to offer done-for-you content scripting, editing, posting, so that you don't even have to do your content and spend hours on content like most new entrepreneurs do. Plus, we combined it with an appointment setter to do your outreach to set up sales appointments for you. Doing this combined makes a unique mechanism that I haven't seen anyone in the industry do yet. Now, I have seen appointment setter offers, but not combined with done-for-you content where we're taking over all of your marketing. And yes, of course, it's true. Once you find success, a lot of other people are going to try to emulate it. But as I mentioned earlier, it's better to be first than better. If you consistently challenge yourself to discover and create unique mechanisms for your online fitness business, you'll not only stay ahead of the competition, but you'll also dominate in the online fitness space.